All right, guys, something came in the mail today. So basically, I ordered a passenger seat for the Ryker. So, in order to mount the passenger seat, I'm gonna show you guys. First thing you need is this thing right here. This is a max mount. So basically, with the max mount, you can mount anything on the max mount. Well, not anything, but they got certain products you can mount on the max mount. You can put in the passenger seat back there, whatever. So the first thing you want to do is mount this. You want to mount the max mount first. So let's put this back. And then, let me show you guys the passenger seat. I'm Jamaican, so every Jamaican should have one of these. So this is the passenger seat, I guess. Right here. And also it comes with two foot pegs for the passenger. So with those over there. I don't think it comes, yeah, it comes with some bolts too. Don't know what this is, but I'm gonna figure it out. Also comes with some screws. I guess first thing you take out is these. Alright, then we have the max mount. I'm not 100% sure. Where this goes. Not 100% sure where this goes. To be honest with you. That goes like that, and then we have this piece right here. I think it goes right here. Pretty sure it goes right there. Let me look up a video. So y'all, first thing we do is we mount this max mount right here with these 4 bolts. So alright guys, next thing we're gonna throw in is a passenger seat. Basically it just connects up to this right here. Like that, bolts it in. Pretty comfortable. First we have to mount this right here. This little bracket.
Oh, this might be the hard part right here. Just lining it up. Really. We got that mount on. Now what's next? Gotta get these bad boys on right here. These are the footrests.
All right, we got the seat on, the max mount and the seat on. We also got the foot pegs, whatever you guys want to call it. Got the foot pegs on. Pretty sturdy. I'll show y'all the other side. Uh-oh. Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. Now all we got left is this passenger seat. So I guess with this, you just slide it on like this. Show y'all. I'm guessing you slide it on like this. Hope I don't break it. Let me mount up the phone for y'all. You push this button right here, and it's locked in. Let me show y'all. So this how we looking right here. To me, it makes a bike look more mean. Like,